Today, I'll show you how natural flower oils and pigments become luxury cherry red lipsticks for American beauty stores. Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, easy on the ramp. Got it? Watch the corner.
The secret to the iconic luxury color starts with ultra-fine, highly concentrated bright red pigments.
Natural waxes and shea butter are melted down to give the lipstick its perfect, creamy structure. The liquid is flash frozen in a cooling tunnel to lock the waxes together, forming the classic solid lipstick bullet. A brief pass under a precision flame gives the lipstick its signature, flawless, glossy shine.
From natural flowers to the perfect shade, this luxury masterpiece is now ready to empower women across the United States.
Here you are, sir. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you very much.
And that's exactly how we craft the perfect luxury lipstick for America. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.